Gavana Bw'Ekomiti ya Kakamega, Mheshimiwa Fernandes Baraza, oikire Bosio Bw'Ekomiti ya Senate eyo ekoringoria obotumeki bw'echibesa ase chikaunti ao korengana n'abatenderi b'ekomiti eyo nigo bono banyara koba bakoira ribagerio na komuboria omugavana koireneria amaborio ao egati yabo obotumeki bose emeroberio ekaunti ayabekirerio koena kiango chiere gokine chitaoni koba municipality na boigo ogosangirirwa kwebango n'emeroberio ya mache amo na yande amange.
Regard to Cpaic markets, as per the contract that was issued in 2021 and the works that we are signed for, they were fully paid, and the retention relating to the works that we are done after the difficult liability period, they were duly authorized by the engineers and paid for. The works which we are done, because the retention is on the works done. Whatever that has not been done are the bills of quantities relating to new works of 41 million Kenya shillings. So I don't see a problem on the retention that was paid as per the contract that was signed, which of course came in after the difficult liability period. So, Bwana Senator, one thing that I know may have been a problem is why some of those operational works were excluded in the bills of quantities to make this market to be commissioned. So once we address the 41 million through a separate contract, I'm sure this market will be operationalized for use in the next, maybe by end of the financial year, because the balance of the works and the period that it can take may not be more than 4 months. So there was no problem in the retention authorized by the engineers as per the contract terms relating to the works that were done as per the side contract.
The board approved a strategy and a policy for non-revenue water management, which clearly outlines steps that are being to be able to determine this critical parameter non-revenue water. And Chair, one of the challenges we noted was that some lines were installed long time ago, before I was even born. So we decided to have a GIS system in place to be able to mark and map out this line so that we can be able to accurately read all of the meters and collect the revenue.